So it's Saturday today, and I just have a million things running through my head at the moment. I was gonna take my dogs to like just some nearby trail system and walk them, but I don't know. I really just like, unless I'm going an hour and a half or so north, ticks at this time of year are just horrendous. I hate it, and it's not like a few. Like, my dogs are both treated with Bravecto, so the tick bite dies when it bites the dog, but still, like, you have 50 ticks crawling around in your dogs and you don't want to just let them inside on your house, so you end up pulling all of them off and it's just a nightmare. So instead, I was thinking of taking them to the local middle school, because there's a bunch of like athletic ball fields there that people don't really go to all that often, and playing ball with my dogs there. That's what I usually do during the time of year where I'm trying to avoid ticks. I actually recorded some of that in the summer and I just never did anything with it. I've never done anything with any of the footage that I've recorded. So if I ever do get brave enough to just put it on YouTube, like, I just have to start combining these into videos and putting them up, and then maybe eventually getting into some kind of regular recording schedule and uploading. I don't know. It's just not natural to me at the moment, and it probably will be over time the more I record. But anyway, so I was thinking, if I did that, go to the ball fields with the dogs, I can still like hang out there for a little bit. I wish I had one of those like ultralight camping chairs that I can just like pop out and hang out with my dogs, but I don't. They have bleachers though, so maybe I'll like read or something while they're playing, and then come back here, do a workout, clean, get groceries done, maybe settle in and watch a Christmas movie, potentially write for my blog, which I haven't done, and I need a monthly article. And maybe assimilate some of these videos. I don't know. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for today's plan. It sucks that I can't really go do the things I want to do, and this is why I'm thinking of, I want to get a mountain bike, because in the times when I would normally want to hike with my dogs but I'm trying to avoid ticks, there's plenty of places for me to like mountain bike around here. And I used to have a bike a long time ago, but I just kind of got out of the habit, and I was never really seriously into biking anyway. So I'm thinking, like today that would be a great option if, I took the dogs to the middle school and then went biking after, but I don't have one. So I'm gonna, I think, start researching into it and maybe try and get one for spring or for fall. I don't know, because it depends on how long before it snows. I mean, ticks will just kind of hang around in the leaf litter, and it's really until we have a good snow base where they're buried that I don't have to worry about them as much. I mean, they're still alive, but they're just harder to get onto the dogs. So that's my word vomit for this morning, and I guess I'll just take you along on my adventures for the rest of the day. Like a wetland, so it's just soaking wet and muddy over there, and I don't want to have to walk over there to go find where the ball is, so I think I'm gonna have to do that. Alright. Does anyone else have to sit and mentally prepare themselves to go into the grocery store, or does that just mean I have social anxiety? Why you gotta be so rude? I don't want to go in. I don't even have a list. Which is very unlike me. I don't even know what I'm getting. I just want to get groceries done and out of the way while I'm already out and about. Because then after this, I think I'm going to go home, work out, shower, clean the house, maybe clean the house, then shower, write, watch a Christmas movie. Yeah. Okay. I got back from doing groceries, organized everything as I put it away because I was starting to like run out of space just from not organizing things properly. Made lunch. I just ate, so I don't want to work out yet. And I'm not sure if I want to start a fire outside and kind of do some yard chores because I was thinking of doing that tomorrow. But the weather is nice right now, and honestly, there's quite a bit to do before winter is officially here. So I'm not certain if I want to like clean up inside or if I want to go outside and take care of some yard chores. So I didn't end up working out today. I basically tied up the yard a little bit and have been burning that pile of stuff left over from the house project that we're doing. It's like the old wood that we ripped off. Yeah, my husband might have a guys' night with his sister's boyfriend because he was helping her with her project today, dog barn. So he might stay up there and hang out with her boyfriend, kind of have a guys' night. So I might be on my own for the evening, in which case I will watch all the Christmas movies because Derek hates them. So I can fully indulge while he's gone. That is the gym shed that we're building. That was a shed that his dad had built at his house years back and really got fully utilized. It was kind of just like rotting away. Derek had talked about bringing it to our house and like doing something with it, and I suggested turning it into a home gym because I work out in my living room, which is small, and it's been fine for years, but I think it would be, I thought it would be cool to turn it into a home gym, and that's what we're doing. Brantley's right here.
Aw.